NCERT Exemplar Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question number 6. The perimeter of a triangle with vertices 0, 4, 0, 0 and 3, 0 is option A 5, option B 12, option C 11 or option D 7 plus root 5. Now let us find the answer. Let us draw the points on a graph. A of 0, 4 lies on the y-axis because x coordinate is 0. Then we have origin 0, 0 and then we have point B 3, 0 on the x-axis because y coordinate is 0. Now we need to find the perimeter of the triangle formed with these 3 points. What is the perimeter formula? Perimeter P is equal to length of the side OA plus length of the side OB plus length of the side AB. Now let us find the lengths of these 3 sides separately. First let us find the length of the side OA. O 0, 0 and point A 0, 4. 0, 0 is x1, y1 and point A 0, 4 is x2, y2. And we need to find the distance between these 2 points. The formula is d is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, which is equal to root over x2 is 0 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 4 minus y1 is 0 whole square, that is equal to root over 0 plus 4 square, which is equal to 4. Therefore, the length of the side OA is 4 units. Now, let us find the length of the side OB. Length of the side OB. The points are O 0, 0 and B 3, 0. The first one is x1, y1 and the point B is x2, y2. And the distance between these 2 points is d is equal to, the formula is root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is equal to root over x2 is 3 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 0 whole square, that is equal to root over 3 square plus 0, which is equal to 3. Therefore, length of the side OB is 3 units. OB is 3 plus, let us find the length of side AB. Length of the side AB. Let us take the 2 points A 0, 4 and B 3, 0. Point A is x1, y1 and point B is x2, y2. And let us find the distance between these 2 points. D is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Root over x2 is 3 minus x1 is 0 whole square plus y2 is 0 minus y1 is 4 whole square, that is equal to root over 3 square plus 4 square, which is equal to root over 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, that is equal to root over 25. Root over 25 is 5. Therefore, the length of the side AB is 5 units. Let us write AB as 5 units. That implies perimeter P is equal to 4 plus 3 plus 5, which is 12 units. From the given options, option B 12 is the right answer. Therefore, the perimeter of the triangle with vertices 0, 4, 0, 0 and 3, 0 is option B 12 units.